Good morning, everyone. My name is Anashruti Gupta, and today I'm here to talk about my project topic toll collection using automatic number plate recognition system. So, what was the need of this toll collection automation? What happens is that during toll collection, a lot of traffic congestion takes place, and in order to handle that problem, we had to introduce a method which was faster. Now, the current system consists of using RFID tags, and while that system is very accurate, it it is expensive as well as not very secure. So, what automatic number plate detection system does is that it increases the security when it is used along with RFID tags. Now, clearly, automation of the toll collection system is a very efficient way to solve the problem of traffic congestion during toll collection. So, that is why the system was needed. So the tools that we have used in this soft sorry project is Python. Python is a object oriented programming languages, and it comes with an extensive amount of standard libraries, including the ones used in machine learning. Along with that, it's very clear and concise, and it has full modularity as well. The second thing that we've used is OpenCV. OpenCV is a library of programming functions for real-time computer vision. The whole library of OpenCV is mainly written in C. It's portable, and it's the best computer vision library till date. Now, the project is being handled in various phases. So the first phase is training of program. We basically train the entire program to recognize different characters. Second phase is to test the trained program. So once we have completed the training process, it is followed by the testing. And once the testing is done, what we do is that we capture the image that um, we need to recognize. Pre-processing segmentation, and then pre-processing of segment takes place, and the result is that we extract the characters, and then we fetch the information uh, from the registration number of the car that we need. So the training of the project is done using an image having characters from 0 to 9 and A to Z. Contours are created around each character in the input, and the input is given from the keyboard to help the computer recognize the character. A dictionary of ASCII values is also maintained with respect to which the data is generated. So, how do we generate this data? The image is processed, and this image is processed and it's converted into grayscale, and then this grayscale image is a threshold is created, and then contours are formed around each character. The Once the character appears, we click Z here, like here we click Z on the keyboard in order to help the computer recognize the character. Just like this, contours are formed. Here's a bit of code that shows how like how the contours are formed in the code file. Other than that, we used different sorts of fonts in order to improve the accuracy of the system. So here you can see that we have used different types of fonts in order to completely make the system more aware of different fonts, different standard fonts which are allowed in the Indian number plates. Now testing of the system is done with these sample images. Here you can see that contours are formed around each character, and the system is recognizing it correctly. So now the actual process in real time takes place. So the image is captured via a webcam or it can, or in our current system we've used an iPhone 8 in order to capture the image. Once the image is captured, we have to perform pre-processing. Here you can see that pre-processing is performed on the image. It's first converted to a grayscale image, and then threshold it's converted to a threshold image. Here, um, the whole pre-processing um, of image takes place, and it's finding the possible characters, potential characters in the entire image. So you can see that here it's recognized different characters, and you can see the main number plate is also a part of it, and from this we have to extract the number plate. So these are the potential number plates which are found, and this is the number plate that we need. Now this number plate is segmented, and then additionally pre-processing is performed on these number plates as well, in order to correctly recognize the characters and make the system more efficient. Here the characters are recognized by the computer correctly. Here it is. So once you have read the license plate from the image, what you can do is, we actually in a real-time system we would use the RTO database to fetch information, but since in our prototype system we cannot do that, um, we used another website in order to fetch the vehicle class information. Here you can see that we've automated a test software, and then here we have found every bit of information about the vehicle by only using the registration number. You can also see that our program has found the vehicle class, which is the motor car, and using this information we can automate the toll collection. And yeah, here is the flow diagram, which consists of pre-processing, then it's converted to a grayscale image, and then a threshold image, and possible characters in a scene are found. Once that is done, you find the list of matching characters, and plate is extract out. Now the deployment model would work something like this. The first step is to capture the image, and then number plate recognition would take place as I explained earlier. Once that is done, you would compare that information in the database, and you would search the vehicle class. You will also check the user validity. If it's not there, then you can report to security. That is how the security is increased. And if the type of vehicle is I mean, if the user is valid, then the type of vehicle is collected, and the toll amount is charged respectively. Then the receipt is sent in the form of a message. Thank you.